Sarah Geronimo.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our OPPO ambassadors, Sarah Geronimo and Alden Richards. And of course, a round of applause, please, for our OPPO influencers for tonight. Wow, what a star-studded stage we have tonight. Now, we are actually witnessing a lot of firsts tonight. The first being we are seeing the OPPO M3 Grace Philippine Shores for the first time. And we are also seeing these two stars of the industry gracing the stage at the same time. Kamusta naman kayo?
Okay naman, okay naman. Yes po, thank you all so much for coming here for the launch of OPPO F3. Salamat po.
Kamusta ka naman?
Yes, I'm happy that Alden is now part of the OPPO family.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, Sarah.
and of course, sa ating mga influencers, congratulations sa ating lahat.
Yan.
Grabe, no, ibang klase. No, and this is the first time actually we have so many influencers and ambassadors all in one stage, and this is a very special night tonight. Now, Sarah and Alden, in less than 2 months, we've seen OPPO release another phone. You know, how does it feel to be part of such a vibrant brand?
Ako, I'm very happy for the success of OPPO. Talagang word of mouth. Kahit sinong mapakinggan mo na ang ganda ng OPPO,
Oo.
halos lahat naka-OPPO na ngayon. Diba? Talagang OPPO is one of the fastest best-selling phone
Oo,
brands,
tama
cell phone
yan.
brands in the country. So, maraming salamat po for choosing me as the first ever brand ambassador. It's truly an honor po na maging bahagi ng OPPO family.
Siyempre, we're also-
Yung kinakabahan daw ako.
Oo. Kamusta naman ang puso mo?
Ang puso ko, okay naman ang puso. Okay naman ang puso.
Gumaganon ba? Dumadagundong?
Dumadagundong.
Ikaw naman.
Ayan na. Of course, we're very thankful to OPPO Philippines, of course, for diversifying the endorsers and influencers of this brand. Parang getting ambassadors from one network to another na hindi lang nag-one side. So we're very honored and thankful na nangyari to with this phone brand. And of course, from like what Sarah said, na OPPO talaga is really the fastest growing phone brand in the Philippines now. Kasi from zero to hero yung
That's
naging range.
right, oo.
So we're very thankful and I'm very honored po to be part of the OPPO family. And to all the bosses po, thank you so much for considering me as one of your ambassadors. Thank you.
At syempre din naman, kayo din naman is dalawa sa mga dahilan kung bakit napaka-successful ng OPPO ngayon. Diba? O ikaw naman, kamusta ang puso mo?
Laging nagtitaping.
Healthy ba? Healthy puso.
Healthy.
Oh, now, speaking of your schedules, with your hectic schedules, how does your OPPO F3 keep up with your busy lives?
Kasi yung OPPO talaga parang it's the first time that I've encountered a phone na sobrang easy yung features to access. And talagang napapadali, especially nowadays, we're very much into doing selfies and groovies, uploading it to social media. So, parang Oppo made an effort to adjust to that need of the millennials nowadays. So, ang galing, parang every phone brand na nilalaunch ng Oppo is really adjusting to what they need to cater para sa mga consumers natin, especially when it comes to uploading really nice quality photos on social media.
Parang masayang-masaya yung
Oo,
experience,
parang happy-happy, no?
Oo. Ikaw naman, Sarah.
Ako naman, parang when I use my phone, parang nag-uutang daw. Kanina pa to. At saka si Alden eh.
Ayun. Nako, lagot. Nandito ako sa
Pwede
gitna.
mo bang gawin to?
Nandito ako sa gitna. Ako ang hand lang. Joke lang.
Hindi. Si daw si Alden. Hindi. Kasi ako, when I use my phone, ito, confession na naging habit na I switch from one application to another. Diba? So,
Kasi marami
naka-open
tayong
na
ginagawa, diba?
multiple applications na talaga. So, what's amazing about Oppo or F3, it works smoothly and efficiently talaga. So, good quality po talaga Oppo F3.
Yung matanong ko lang, no? Ano ba yung mga mahilig yung picturean sa phone ninyo? Ikaw ng mga selfies, groupies, ano yun?
Medyo, oo. Nahilig po talaga mag-take ng selfie. At saka, syempre, when we are